Okay, so in this video, I want to talk about two accounts that I got ready for payouts. I want to talk about my indicator that is already released and how to get access to it for now. So let's get into it. Okay, so today's trade, I went off of the signal of yesterday, right? This late signal on the hourly chart right here, right? A long signal. So when the market opened today, I went long. I didn't want to enter like right when the market was closing yesterday. So I went long. I went to sleep, and on this trade, I was actually up, but I was asleep. I was actually up over $100, but then it stopped me out. So if we kill over here, this was this first trade over here. Okay, it was long, stopped me out, and you see over here, I were up $183 and ended up closing at 74 for a loss. Okay, so that was that trade. Then my second trade, right now on the 30-minute chart, it was. Let's see if I can zoom in. Remember, this is a 30-minute chart. Okay, so this is the stop off for the first trade. Then I got this short signal over here, right? When that candle closed, this open, I entered three contract. Wow, 66666. Okay, and fuck that. Anyway, so I went short over here, and I was up quite a bit. Okay, I was up over here 22 points. Okay, and I didn't close it, and I'll show you why I didn't close it later. But I didn't close it, and then it started to go against me. Okay, started to go against me, and I added two more contracts over here because I was very confident on this trade. I added two more contracts over there, so now I'm five. And then over here, I got this warning on this candle on the 30-minute chart. I got this warning to exit, and when the candle closed, I also get the signal to get completely out of the trade, right? And then instead, I added one more contract way over there. Okay, so I was total short 6 contract, which is double my max size, which is not good. Okay, then this is why I didn't close that trade on the hourly chart. Okay, on the hourly chart, we were still on this is my initial entry, right? On the hourly chart. Uh, then this is my initial entry. Let me see. Short 3. Yeah, no, this is my initial entry over here. Sell 3. Wait a minute. No. My initial entry over here, and then I added over there and one more. We were staying below this 34 EMA. Okay, we were staying below this 34 EMA. Moreover, okay, if I go this to 1, and I go to my volume print chart, volume footprint chart. Okay, so there was a big area of imbalance, this area right here, right? And I was targeting this low over here. It didn't get quite there, all the way there. The area of imbalance, it basically means, right, like on this candle over here, this area, there was a lot of buyers, right, and very little sellers. You see the difference? Okay, I'm gonna zoom in a little more. Right, look at the orders of buyers versus sellers. So it creates a stacked up imbalance, right? And usually when that happens, after that, it usually price goes up, which is what happened. And then when price revisits that area, it usually goes right through it. Okay, that's what I was aiming. But the price went over here. It went right through this first stacked up imbalance and got over here and then stopped and then went back up. I was also looking at the 4-hour chart. Okay, this is why I didn't close the trade. On the 4-hour chart, we were still on the 90 EMA. Okay, and I had a very strong bearish uh, still condition for me, right? So uh, so I didn't close the trade, and that was a good decision. Okay, probably not a good decision to add more, but not to close it. It was good because so I didn't close the trade. Then this is the highest it got, right? When London session started, that was before London session. When the London session started, I'll see what's happened over here. This candle right here, it closed very strong, right? The first 30-minute candle on the London session. Um, as you can see here, the value area high of the candle is over here, and the value area low is over here, and the candle printed way below that. It closed below the 9 EMA. There's a delta. Delta was positive, but the candle closed red, which is a very strong bearish signal as well. So after that, I'll say, you know what, it's game over. This is gonna go down. Then the very next candle made this, little retracement, right, almost to the value, to the point of control of the prior candle, and it closed below the 9 EMA again. I was like, that's it. It's just going down. And then this big strong candle down, and another short signal over here, and then that was it. Then I closed over here for this one, and this account is ready for it's been ready for payout, but I want it because on Apex you gotta take it to for the first payout. You gotta take it to 52,600. Okay, so with this account, it's gonna be my first payout with this account, and so I want to take it to 53 because I have some other funded accounts with Tradify that I needed to take to 53,000. So right now, okay, if I show you my trade zinker, this is only funded accounts. These are all funded accounts, okay. Uh, this one here, right, is ready for payout, 53,000, okay, and this one here is ready for payout, 53,000. So I want to request a payout on these two accounts, okay, and this one here needs just over 500 to request another payout. So next week I'll probably be requesting. I'll probably trade it till Friday and then request a payout on Friday, together with all the rest of this account. So and then this take profit traded account. Once I pass 26,000, then I'll start doing daily payouts on this one and get more. With the payouts that I request, I'll probably add more Apex accounts or a straight. You know what? I don't know. We'll see. I'll think about whether I get another take profit trader account or straight to funded with Traderify. We'll see. So how to get the indicator? Okay. So to get the indicator, this indicator is invite only. Okay. So you're gonna have to either comment your TradingView username on here on the video, or reach out on TradingView. Okay. So and I'll give you access. Okay. And then once I give you access, you basically go to your indicators and use favorite blah blah invite only, and then you will see this indicator over here. Is this one over here? Value area acceptance pro. I'll add it to it. I just released it today. Add it to my favorites. And so today, after this signal over here, the last signal, it moved 24 points. And then from here, this signal, right? Actually, this was the first signal. If you didn't close this one, because I was with only 3 micros, 8.5 points of drawdown. That's not much, and then it went down 58 points. Okay, it's a very very good indicator. I'm very proud of it. So I'll be releasing it. I'll give people access, and for now, all I ask is that you use it. I will Once I give you access, I will send you a message with the recommended settings that I'm using it on the 30-minute chart. You can do whatever you want with it on any time frame, but the settings that I'm using it here now on the 30-minute charts is what I find best. You can do your own back test and try it in different time frames, but I'm trying to minimize the amount of trades for the day. Okay. Um, so one more thing. Oh, go to my TradeZilla, and if I click on strategy, okay, this strategy right here with that indicator, only on this account is averaging 65% win rate with a profit factor of 352. And what else? Daily win rate 100%. So far all winning days. So if I click on all accounts with the same strategy, 73% profit factor of 5.2 basically. So that's it. Once again, if you access to this indicator, you go here on trading view. You can let me see if it's already, if it populates. I think trading they have to okay, yeah, here we go. You type value area acceptance trend signal, is this indicated over here, right? But then again, I will have to give you access, or it might not show up for you. And that's it pretty much so far today. If I click on all accounts, this one was I had a this was a green day, but on one account had a red date because I started messing up with it. It was an evaluation account. I think it's this one. Oh shit. I hate the daily loss limit on this one. Try to pass it in one day after it was already green on this account. So if I remove that day, those all green days, right? And today, with all accounts, evals and everything, 3K. Okay. Now out of this accounts, six accounts are funded accounts. Okay. The rest are evals that I'm trying to pass. So that's it for now, and I see you on the next video.